got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA.
Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Sean B Nice here on Samsung Day, back with some more heat rock, and I'm going to tell you why I'm personally buying an S9 Plus and why you should too. Number one, you guys have complained for years and years and years about Samsung not having dual speakers. This year, they give you dual speakers. What? Okay, that's number one. Why complain about it? Like, I mean, because now I'm seeing so many people like on Twitter and, you know, Instagram, whatever the case is, saying the reason why they're not buying an S9 Plus or the S9 whatever, and they're just, you know, it's like they complain, but a lot of the stuff they complain for, honestly, the S9 refined. You know what I mean? Like a lot of it. So if you look at the S8 to the S9, there's a lot of things that the S9 is fixing, and the dual speakers is one of them. Number two, better RAM. Well, for the S9 Plus anyway, that is. Now the S9 Plus has 6 gigabytes of RAM. Again, a lot of people is like, man, I wish Samsung phones had more RAM. They gave you more RAM. I don't really think the S9 really needs more RAM, but you know, just for the Plus variant to have 6 gigabytes of RAM, that's perfectly fine. Think about it, the S8 Plus with 4 gigabytes of RAM last year ran perfectly fine. S9 Plus with 6 gigabytes of RAM is gonna be, good job on Samsung for that one. Number three, they finally gave us, it's not really, I wouldn't say it's a UI enhancement, but I mean, for years, again, a lot of third-party apps that had you to do landscaping mode on your UI. Now, granted, the UI thing, that's a software thing, okay? I understand that. I understand that, you know, you can put landscape or just download a new launcher or whatever, but the thing is, again, these are refinements that Samsung shows you, hey, we listen to y'all, and we're going to make these improvements that you guys are asking for. I'm okay with that. Now, again, I'm always for any company that's listening to the consumer saying, hey, we hear what you're saying, we got you. Number five, you guys, excuse the language, bitched and complained about the fingerprint scanner all of last year about the placement of it. They changed the placement of it and y'all still not happy. What do y'all want to put it? Honestly, I want it in the display, but it's not there yet. If the tech is not there yet, I'm fine with you not releasing that tech because you know it's not ready for the consumer yet. So you don't want us to waste our money. Great job, Samsung. Again, number six, that camera is probably going to be the camera of the year, better than a Pixel, better than the iPhone. I believe that Samsung camera this year probably shutting shit down. So I am super excited for that camera this year. Super, super duper excited. I don't see, again, what are y'all complaining about? It got 4K 60 frames per second, super slow-mo at 960 frames per second. I already hear people complaining, well, it's only 720p and you're gonna do it for 0.2 seconds. Okay, that's 0.2 seconds more than you do it last year. Shut the fuck up. Number, what are we on, 7? Number 7, the battery life is probably gonna be the same. The Snapdragon 845 may have incremental, like very, very minute change in battery. You might get like a little bit longer battery life, but we don't know yet. But the main thing is, again, whatever number on 7, they kept the headphone jack. They are making sure they listen to the consumer. Again, they hear what y'all saying. Like, what? I don't understand what's the complaint about. And it's not in the prices that we heard and we thought it was gonna be. It's not even that price. Look here, people. I think we need to keep things into a realistic perspective here. If you have a company and you complain about a lot of stuff they do and a lot of stuff they don't do, and they address it in the next flagship device they have, and you're still not happy with it, I don't know what more you want them to do. Apple has given you, literally, give you the same design since the iPhone 6 and has made very minor improvements to their phone, but yet, Apple fans be right there like, yes, let's go get this phone. But for Android consumers or Android users, for some odd reason, we found a reason to complain about everything every single year, and it's so dumb to me. It's like, what more do you want from a phone? Like, the phone is only gonna be as creative as the people that's using it at this point, and the limitations are gonna be only as limited as the person that's using it. Right now, most of our devices are already super capable of doing everything we needed to do. Let's be realistic here, people. Most of the times on our phone, we're doing the same thing we did on last year's phone. So it's not like you're sitting here like, come on, let's be real. How many people already use Animoji on the iPhone 10 when it came out? You use it for maybe 30 days and probably haven't even touched it since. Like, come on, y'all. Like, let's stop it. If you don't want to upgrade, that's fine. Just stop complaining and you know, coming up with super reasons why you're not upgrading, trying to make somebody else feel bad for upgrading their phone. If they want to upgrade, all you gotta do is turn in the device in, pay the taxes, if that, or maybe just lease the device and they pay nothing. It's nothing to upgrade their phone if you are in the US market, that is. But if you're in the outside market, okay, if you're in the outside market, definitely do not upgrade your phone. Maybe these upgrades aren't enough to warrant a $900 price tag for you. I totally get that. Or even if you sell your phone, maybe a $1,000 price tag. I totally understand that. But for the people in the US, shut up. That is a spoiled American thing. You sitting there, you could upgrade your phone for free because T-Mobile, AT&T, Sprint, and Verizon all have it where you can upgrade your phone after 12 months. All you gotta do is turn your old device in and you good to go. What I don't know what else you want me to do. Now, I will say this. It's kind of funny. Did you guys see, speaking of emoji, whatever, Samsung, y'all could have kept the AR emoji thing, whatever. I feel like Samsung thought about Apple and then it was like,
hey, right back at you, bitch.
I'm not too geeked up about the air emoji for Samsung devices. Whatever, that's not my thing. I'm so interested in the camera this year and the overall performance. Partnered up with Gamebench, so I will be testing the performance of the S9 Plus, so don't fret on that. March 2nd, I will be pre-ordering my phone. I'll make sure my next video that week, I'll show you guys a screenshot of my ticket, whatever that. I will be pre-ordering that phone. Make sure you come back to the channel if you want a real review, not one of these mainstream YouTubers reviews are gonna say everything positive about the phone. I'm not gonna be on that. You know what I'm saying? You come to my channel, you're getting the real shit. Other than that, I think that's it. So thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. And let me know what you guys think. Are you guys getting an S9 or S9 Plus, or you know what? I'm definitely getting it. I wanna hear what y'all think, man. Make sure I help this video get a couple, you know, I don't know, 50 likes or something. Just smash the thumbs up button, please. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Sean B. Nice and I'm out, man. Deuces.